This tutorial will show you how to use Noodle Tools. Noodle Tools is an integrated platform for creating citations in a particular style, note-taking, outlining, document archiving and annotation, and collaborative research. On the library homepage, start by clicking the Citing Sources button. Then choose Noodle Tools. Log in on this screen. If you've never used Noodle Tools before, start by creating a personal ID. Once you have a personal ID and have logged in, Noodle Tools brings you to this screen. On the top right, click Create a New Project. On this screen, choose a citation style, MLA, APA, or Chicago, and a citation level. You will want to choose Advanced. At the bottom of the screen, give your project a name. This is the Projects tab, including a project that's already been started in APA style. Click on it to open it. This is the Dashboard tab. Here you will see your research question and thesis statement. You can also view a 30-day log of work done on this project. Click the log link. Here's the log of all the work that's been done on this project in the last 30 days. Let's go back to the dashboard. Note that you can share a project with your teacher if that teacher creates a Dropbox. Click Show Me How to learn more. You can also collaborate with your classmates. This is also where you can see the different components of Noodle Tools, your references, note cards, and outline, and your paper. To the right of Components, there's a space to keep a to-do list. Next, let's go to the Bibliography tab. Click Bibliography. This is the list of citations that have already been added to the project. Scroll down. Scroll back up. Now let's add a citation. Click the Citation Type drop-down menu. Scroll through to see the many citation types to choose from. Scroll back up and choose Journal. Now click Create Citation. Enter citation information about the journal article. Noodle Tools gives suggestions if it thinks you may be making a mistake. When you are finished, click the Submit button. Here's the new citation in APA format. If you already have a citation formatted in the style you want, for example, you used a database to format your citation, you can cut and paste it into Noodle Tools instead of filling out the whole form. Simply choose a citation type and click Create Citation. Then click Copy and Paste a Citation. Paste the citation in the box. Then click Submit. Here's the citation we just added. Let's go back to the condo citation. Move to the right-hand side of the screen. Noodle Tools will show you what the in-text citation should look like. Click In-Text Reference. This is what the in-text citation would look like. Let's go back to the bibliography. If you have a question about a citation, simply click the Have a Question link to contact an expert at Noodle Tools. Ask your question using the form here. Let's go back to the bibliography. Notice you have the option to print or export your bibliography. Click Print Export. Select Print Export to Word. Noodle Tools has created an APA references page for you. Let's go back to the bibliography page. You can also do an analysis of your sources on this page. Click Analysis. You can see things like how many citations and note cards you have, and how many print versus web versus database sources you have. Let's go back to the bibliography page. You also have the option to annotate web pages you are using for your paper. Click View Archived Page. Note that portions of this web page have been highlighted. Next, let's go to the Note Cards tab. Click Note Cards. These are note cards that have already been created. They are grouped into different piles based on their similarity to one another. Let's create a new note card. Click New Note Card. Enter a title or main idea for the note card. In this box, you can enter a direct quotation. Scroll to the right. You can enter a paraphrase or a summary here. Link the note card to a specific source by choosing one from the bibliography. Enter page numbers to which the paraphrase applies. Select a tag from a list of tags you've already used or create a new one. Let's choose the test tag in this case. Scroll down. At the bottom of the screen, there is also a place to enter your own ideas. When you're finished with the note card, click the Save button. New note cards appear here. Click Move to move new note cards to the tabletop. Click Add to Pile to add the new note card to an existing pile. Let's choose the Challenges pile. Then click Submit. On the top right, notice that you can search your note cards. Click the drop-down menu and select Tag to search by tag. Next, type one of your tag names in the search box. Let's search for the Test tag. Then click the Search button. Any note cards or piles with the tag name Test will be highlighted. Scroll to the right. Next, let's look at the outline. Use the plus sign to add outline headings, as has already been done here. You can also drag note cards or piles to the outline to auto-populate it. Let's drag the background pile to the background outline heading. Click Yes to add subtopics to your outline. Subtopics matching the titles of individual note cards have populated the outline. From here, you can create a Word document that contains your outline plus the text of your individual note cards. You can use this to start writing your paper. Click the printer icon. Choose a document format under Outline with Note Cards. Next, click the Submit button. Choose as many or as few note card details as you want. Let's choose to just see the paraphrasing. Uncheck the other boxes. Then click the Submit button. Click OK to open the Word document and view all your paraphrasing. This is an organized way to start writing your paper. Finally, let's look at the Paper tab. You also have the option of opening a Google Doc in which to write your paper. Simply sign in. This concludes the tutorial. Please contact the reference desk if you have any questions. A librarian is there to help you.